Assalamu alaikum. Now we move to another topic. The topic is conditions. So, condition, with the help of this condition, you decide and you can control your program to decide that what to do in different situation. Okay, we have, for example, we have multiple conditions and multiple and different situation that how to control our program. Okay, we have types of condition. The first one is if, the second one is else if, no if else condition. Okay, and the third one is if else if condition. Okay, so first of all, I'm right in function. Now the first one is if condition. Okay, for example, I take a number, okay, 18. Okay, now I write syntax of if condition. Okay, this is the syntax of if condition. Here we write condition. Okay, here we write condition. Okay, so for example, I write number equal to 10. Okay, print here 10. Okay, now I'm saying here to this computer, if this number is equal to 10, you print 10. Okay, uh, now I will, if I run this program, so here you can see nothing because here the condition is false. If I write here 10, so you can see here print 10. Okay, so it is a condition. Okay, you can control your program. Okay, if this condition is false. Okay, for example, I'm going to false this condition. So now here I write front false. Okay, now you can see here false. Okay, why this condition is false? Because the dot execute this block of code. Okay, if here this condition is true, the dot execute uh, this block of code. Okay, remember that. And also we have for multiple condition else if else if. Okay, so if I remove this and write else if here, uh, uh, I I write another condition. Okay, if the number is equal to 5, print 5 here. Okay, and now else if this number equal to 20, print 20. Okay, okay, and here else print nothing. Okay, so if all these condition is false, the dot execute this else block of code. Okay, if this condition true, the dot execute this block of code. Okay, if this condition is true, and then dot execute this condition. Okay, this block of code. Okay, for example, I write here 5. Okay, so this condition will be true. So you can see here 5. Okay, if this condition is 0 or 2, okay, you can see here nothing because all these condition is false. Okay, So if I write here 20, you will see here 20. Okay, this is the concept of this condition, and you can control all uh, your all program in the another condition is switch. Okay, so I talk about later. Okay, I will talk about later. Okay, for now it's enough, and for now I hope you will understand these things in these conditions. Okay, for now, Allah Hafiz, goodbye.